I went to the shore for a couple hours just to take a break and saw all kinds of things. Here's some kind of sandpiper over at Sepauwett. There were at least two egrets over at Sepauwett. I got one of them hunting, the other one was sitting in a tree. Unfortunately, eventually the oyster catchers got chased off the beach by somebody's dog. An osprey made a quick trip through the area. There's this little beach at the state fishing area at Secundit Point. I'd never stopped there before, but there was a green heron walking around looking for some food. And when you get tired of looking at the green heron, you'll see what that black-backed gull is eating. It looks like a very large fish that probably was filleted and the head tossed out.